good morning. Have you ever trekked on a trail in the forest before, and you just wonder why are the path or trails so rocky? Okay, so the main reason why trails in the forest are made rocky is because they want to protect the path. Okay, so protect from what? Protect from people. Okay, so as people, trekkers walk on the path, they tend to erode away all the soil and the sand. So when that happens, imagine after a long time, all of the natural sand and soil will all be gone. So one way to prevent this is by purposely putting in rocks or bricks, so that these rocks or bricks will hold the sand and the soil together. Okay, so although it will be rocky for people to walk, but in general it still protects the path. It prevents the path from being eroded away. Okay, so that's why we have all these rocks on the path. So this is an example of how a path will look like if it's not being protected. So you can see that it's being eroded away. Alright, so if you don't put any rocks or bricks on the path, after some time it will all be gone or simply not walkable.